Do you want your kid to learn electronics and programming without having to spend any of your own money on equipment? Do you want to avoid having your kitchen table wind up looking like the messy workbench behind me? Then this class is for you. In this 1-hour introductory workshop, your child will learn how to program an Arduino, a popular platform for many hobbyist electronics and robotics projects. The best part? We'll do it all using a free Arduino simulator that runs entirely in a web browser. This is the same program I've used to teach engineering students at Cornell University. While obviously interested students will want to move on to build physical things, this lets you test the waters and gauge your child's interest before you have to commit to spending more money. And don't worry about difficulty. I may be a college instructor, but this is not a college-level class. I have over a decade of experience working with students of all ages in different settings like libraries, makerspaces, and summer camps, so this class is beginner-friendly and age-appropriate. No prior experience with electronics or programming is required. I hope to see you there.